Think back to when you were planning and running online meetings. These take effort, but current online meeting technologies lack holistic support for reducing this effort. We present CoExplorer, a generative AI-powered adaptive meeting interface technology probe to support planning and running more effective online meetings. When planning meetings, determining which topics could be resolved asynchronously beforehand can create space for productive discussion during the meeting. Current systems do not support this planning activity. When running meetings, the discussion typically progresses through multiple phases, such as this example. The effort of showing the appropriate resources for each phase of the meeting, while also managing the layout of these resources, is left to the attendees. For example, in the exploration phase in this hypothetical meeting breakdown, the attendees might want to see slides outlining ideas, but when they transition to the strategy phase, a whiteboard might be an appropriate tool. Current systems require this to be done manually by users, taking attention away from the meeting tasks. To help meeting attendees plan and run meetings more effectively, we explore the use of generative AI to create tools to focus attention and dynamically adapt the user interface, allowing users to concentrate on the purpose of the meeting. We formulated 3 design approaches, which are to incorporate collective feedback to shape meeting objectives, clarify the underlying needs and available resources, and manage the system through a human-on-the-loop methodology. Using these approaches, we designed prototype meeting systems for 2D remote meetings called CoExplorer2D and for VR remote meetings called CoExplorerVR. We described the resulting design for the CoExplorer2D first. In CoExplorer2D, it can generate a detailed list of phases from just a calendar invitation text. To incorporate every attendee's collective feedback, CoExplorer2D can generate a meeting focus tool which acts like a conversation seed. It can automatically capture the topics that attendees want to discuss during the meeting. When the meeting attendees fill out the conversation seed, CoExplorer2D can then update the phase list as per the feedback from the attendees. CoExplorer2D also dynamically manages the window. CoExplorer can detect when the phase changes are happening and proactively optimize the window layout to better suit the new phase. It can resize windows and open, close applications and files. For instance, when the phase changes to a discussing Bluetooth 5.0 phase was detected, the system can close the slide and open a spreadsheet instead, as well as other support tools. Going beyond, the CoExplorerVR that we developed takes advantage of enhanced spatial interaction. It can manage windows not by resizing on a flat panel, but it can place windows at contextually relevant places. For instance, a contact card above the attendee or an information panel on the side wall. These designs describe our CoExplorers. Please refer to our paper for more information.